Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, class 5, chapter number 7, adjectives. Okay. So here in the sentence below, see how the nouns in bold have been described. Underline the words. Okay. That describes about the noun. Okay. So here blue birds. So you know here the blue is these tiny. Tiny is also adjective. Okay. Blue adjective. Okay. Then here they have very sweet voices. Sweet voices. That means here sweet gives information about voices. Sweet is adjective. Blue is adjective. Tiny is adjective. They love to eat fresh hard seeds. Okay. Fresh is adjective. Hard is adjective. Seeds you know noun. Okay. Here they sing under the bright sunshine. Okay. Bright you know adjective. Okay. Then sunshine here is noun. Okay. Then next, underline the adjectives in this passage. Write them in the table on the page 41 and mention the type of adjective as well. Okay. So I can see delightful monsters. So here delightful adjective. Okay. Here delightful describes about or qualifies the noun here monsters. Okay. As like in the previous here. Okay. Here these tiny blue birds like. Okay. Tiny blue gives information about the bird. Okay. These two qualifies the noun birds. Here fresh hard qualifies the noun seeds. Then sweet qualify the noun voices. Okay. Bright qualify the noun sunshine. Similarly, okay, I can see delightful monster. So here delightful you know adjective, monster noun. I have a special power. Special you know adjective. They can be tiny or huge. Tiny is adjective. Huge is adjective. Huge is also adjective. I have seen red. Here blue, orange. Here these three are adjectives. Monster noun. Some are frightening. Okay, frightening here also adjectives. Adjective, and some are strange. Okay, but all are around. Here round is also adjective. Okay, adjective of shape. Okay, so you have to add here. Okay, adjective here here round you have tried to type. Okay, shape. Some are funny you adjective. Okay, young adjective. Okay, then angry adjective. Some live in a damp is also adjective. Old adjective. Chew adjective. Dry. Okay, so here you have to place the adjective that you have underlined. Okay, so here special, which you have to mention the type of. Special you know it is adjective of quality. Tiny you know adjective of size. Huge adjective of size. Red adjective of color. Blue adjective of color. Orange adjective of color. Orange adjective of color. Frightening feeling you know it is one type of feeling. Strange you know quality. Funny quality. Then young is also you know it is a age. Okay, young, old, modern, these are you know age. Angry feeling. Damp you know it is also feeling, adjective of feeling. Old you know it is also age. Chew it is taste. Dry or touch. Okay, then next, form adjective from these nouns using the endings given in the box on the next page. Okay, so you have to form adjectives, okay, from the given noun. Mischief you know mischievous. Photograph, photography. Here grass, grassy. Then truth, truthful. Choice, choiceful. Comic, comical. Mystery you know mysterious. Value, valueless or valuable you can write. Rain, rainy. Skill, skillful. Okay, boss, bossy. Cost, costly. Then adventure, adventurous. Okay, then speech, speechless. Then next, underline the adjectives of quantity. So you know insufficient rain it is also quantity. Much quantity. All quantity. Then little is also quantity. Then lot quantity. Enough also quantity. Next, fill in the blanks using demonstrative adjective. Okay, demonstrative adjective. So you know this, that. Okay, these, those. These are known as demonstrative adjective. This can be used as demonstrative adjective and also pronoun. Okay. So here you are now inside the fort. This fort, as you can see, is very old. Take a look at that. Okay, we are talking about a very distant. That's why that is used. Doorway at the other end. The king's elephants used to come in through that doorway. Okay, that. Those elephants used to. Okay, those elephants. Okay, those elephants used to have large tusks. Look at the wall. Look at the wall paintings here. These paintings were done by a famous artist. Okay, so here these, here those. Okay. Then next, match the possessive adjective correctly with their personal pronoun. Okay, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun, you know. Here I is a personal pronoun, so it's possessive pronoun mine. Okay, mine. So you know personal pronoun is possessive adjective will be yours. Okay. She personal pronoun is its possessive pronoun will be hers. Then next he personal pronoun its possessive will be his. Then we personal pronoun its possessive pronoun will be ours. Then they personal pronoun its possessive adjective possessive pronoun will be theirs. Okay. It sometimes can be used as its, but its. So here, okay, me, this is subjective personal pronoun, this is objective personal pronoun. Okay, so me, my. Okay, you, your, not yours. If you add s, then it will become possessive pronoun. Okay, then her, him. Okay, him, his, us, and our, them, they are, it, its. Okay. So you here here the personal pronoun. Personal are two types. This is subjective personal pronoun. Okay, so it is known as objective personal pronoun. Clear? Then next, use each possessive adjective from the table above in funny sentences of your own. The first one has been done. Superman had lunch in my classroom. Okay, my classroom, this is possessive adjective. So similarly, you have to make some sentence on your own using possessive adjective. Your tiffin here. Okay, your tiffin was eaten by a cat yesterday. This is a funny sentence. Okay, batsman stole away her backpack yesterday. Batsman, okay, or her bag here. Okay, this is possessive adjective. His hair, okay, his as that of a joker. Black widow kissed our cheeks. Okay, our here possessive adjective. Their mouth here, but their mouth watered when they saw our yummy breakfast. Its tail, its tail was chopped into pieces and eaten by monsters. Very funny sentences. Okay. Then next, in each sentence below, underline the adjectives and mention what type of they are. Okay. So here, first one is already given. Then second, my friend has a young brown cat. So my friend, my here possessive adjective. Okay, possessive adjective. Has a young, young is adjective of age. Brown, adjective of color. Okay. Then next, so here we need 1 liter of condensed milk to make the flavor halwa. Okay, so here 1 liter, 1 liter is adjective of, okay, quantity. Then 1 liter of condensed, condensed is adjective of quality. Okay, quality. To make a flavored halwa, flavored is, yes, adjective of taste. Okay. Then next, these tall building, these demonstrative adjective here. Okay. Then tall, adjective of size. Beautiful, adjective of quality. Okay, beautiful. Then functional, adjective of also functional, adjective of quality. Okay. Then next, this block of iron is heavy but becomes light when heated. This, demonstrative adjective. Is heavy, adjective of touch. Okay, becomes light is also adjective of touch. Okay. Then next, draw two straight lines. Two, adjective of two is adjective of number or quantity we called. Okay, two. Straight, adjective of shape. Okay, adjective of shape. Circular is also adjective of shape. Small is also adjective of size. Okay, square, adjective of shape. Then next I had 6 jalebis. 6 adjective of number. Okay, or quantity you can call. Then some kheer. Okay, some adjective of quantity. Then great adjective of quality. Okay, so I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.